Good day, friends. I hope you're all healthy, wealthy, and happy, and ready for another recipe. Today we are going to prepare Brussels sprouts, roasted garlic Brussels sprouts with Szechuan sauce. So what we need to do is if there are yellow leaves covering the Brussels sprouts, you need to take them off, and if there are spotted leaves, the same thing, and we only keep the nice and fresh leaves. Then we cut the stem because it's hard, and just keep this fair. I will do a couple more. These Brussels sprouts I bought 3 days ago. That's why you see some yellow leaves there, because this is organic. It goes off very quickly, so you can always get very fresh Brussels sprouts. That is, you don't have to clean them that much. Now when I've all cleaned them all, it's time to cut them in the middle in 2 equal halves, as you can see me doing. I will be cutting the rest, cleaning and cutting the rest off the camera, and then get back to you when I'm finished. Now, as you can see, I have cleaned and cut and washed all the Brussels sprouts, and they're ready to be cooked. What else we need is some chopped garlic, some ginger paste, and Szechuan sauce. I have 2 different type of Szechuan sauce. If there are no Asian stores near you to get them, you can use any other sauce that you fancy. We also need some salt. Now we are all ready to start. We put the frying pan on the stove and add some cooking oil. Now we add the Brussels sprouts, and we are going to first keep them inside downward. So we turn them all inside down. And we keep the heat medium to medium high. We don't want to burn them, just enough to give it a nice color, and also make sure they're cooked and ready to be eaten. So now we turn them over the other side. and just move them around until we are satisfied with the color. Like you can see, they're beautiful. They have a beautiful color of green and reddish, and it's ready. So we are going to remove it from the heat and roast the garlic after that. So now I put them in a container, put the frying pan back on the heat, and add a little bit more of the oil, cooking oil, and then add the garlic. We spread the garlic and start roasting it. When the garlic is close to be ready, we will add the ginger paste. Now we mix the garlic and ginger. You can also add the chopped ginger if you don't have the paste. Now we return the Brussels sprouts and mix them with the garlic and ginger. And add half a teaspoon of salt. Now actually the Brussels sprouts is ready to be eaten, and it's garlic roasted, but in order to make it even better, we are going to add the Szechuan sauce. And as mentioned, if you cannot find Szechuan sauce, use any sauce that you fancy. But Szechuan sauce is also spicy, and if you add any other sauce and you want it to be spicy, then add some red pepper or anything else that is spicy to it. Now we transfer it into a serving dish, put a few cuts of lemon as garnish around it, and it's ready for you as an appetizer or side dish. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.